Hey guys, what's going on? Tappan Zee High School Physical Education, Coach Sutton here with a little tutorial on what to expect from PE this year. You can always go back to this video to make sure that you're doing things correctly. The first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you are on our Google Classroom, which is Tappan Zee High School Physical Education, which is right here. Click on that. If you're not on it, we can send you a code to get on it. My computer is working a little bit slow today, though. Come on, not responding. It's my laptop. It's not quite as good, but it has a decent microphone. My computer does not. Alright, so here we are. This is the Tappan Zee High School Physical Education Google Classroom. This is a streaming link. This is where we can send you guys all sorts of things. Email all you guys all at once. Right now we have about 350 kids on here. We need to have about 1,000. Your main page is up here where it says classwork. So you want to click up here, classwork. Okay. And basically, you're assigned to a physical education teacher. So all the work that you're going to be putting in, you want to make sure that you're putting it into their hub. So if you have Coach Cromer, if your schedule says Coach Cromer, you're going to go to the Coach Cromer PE hub. Okay, and anything that you need to fill in or fill out, you're going to do it so under his hub and his hub alone. Coach Donovan, same thing over here. Coach Gain, if you have Coach Gain, or if you have myself, Coach Sutton. Okay, so let's just pretend you have Coach Sutton. You got lucky enough to have me. Coach Sutton PE workout form. This is where you're going to put your workouts. So half the time you're going to be in school, half the time you're going to be out of school. So the weeks that you're out of school, you have to submit 2 Google forms for 2 separate workouts. Don't do like a 2-hour workout and say, oh, this counts for both, coach. You have to submit 2 Google forms. Okay, so if I click on this right here, it's going to bring up that Google form. I'm going to click over here. There it is, Tappan Zee High School Physical Education Confirm Workout Form for Coach Sutton. Alright, all you have to do is fill this out. Now, if you have Coach Donovan, do not fill it out under Coach Sutton's one. She has her own one. Okay, so first name, last name, how many minutes did you work out for? It should be 30 minutes. Okay, so you click on 30 minutes. If you did a custom workout, not from the videos below, explain the activity. So we have all sorts. Let me go back for a second. We have all sorts of things that you can do for your workouts when you're home. Okay? We have cardio, core work over here. We have core work. We have dance workouts. We have yoga. We have all these things that you can do. Alright, so let's say I want to do a Bollywood dance workout. It's 10 minutes, so maybe I do this workout 3 times, or maybe I go for a 20-minute walk and then I do this. Okay, I'm going to click on this right here. I'm going to press play, and I'm going to follow the video.
Hey guys, we got a 10-minute cardio dance workout, Bali X style, a little bit of Bollywood, a little bit of Bhangra. Get ready to unleash your inner rock.
All right, go up a little bit here. So you would follow this Bollywood workout for 10 minutes,
Still warming up.
and then you would do something else.
Start to feel that heart rate rising.
Okay, so let's get out of here. So I did Bollywood for 10 minutes, and I walked for 20 minutes to get my 30 minutes in. Okay, so when you come up to Coach Sutton's hub, and we're back onto our workout form. All right, you have 3 options for your workouts. You can do a video that's on our Google Classroom. You can do a custom workout. So let's say you go for a walk with your mom for 30 minutes after dinner, or you did, I don't know, ultimate frisbee in the front yard with your brother, whatever it happens to be. That would be considered a custom workout. Okay, not a workout that's on the list. You can also do a once a week. Each phys ed teacher is going to give you a little workout that you can do on your own. So we're going to talk about it, and you would do it. So there's 3 workouts. There's the videos that are on the classroom. There's a custom workout, the one that you choose on your own. Or there's the teacher video that we record each week. Alright, so if you did a custom workout, not from the videos below, please explain. So you're going to put in, hey, I went for a bike ride with my friends. It lasted 30 minutes. Okay, and then that's it. And you would put in 30 minutes bike ride with friends over here. Okay. If you did one of the videos, here are all the videos that were on the Google Classroom. So you would just click which one that you did, or maybe you did multiple ones. So you did this one for 20 minutes, you did this one for 10 minutes, it equaled 30 minutes altogether. You click on those two. Or maybe you did this, and then you did an 8-minute plank. So you just click on the stuff that you did. And then at the end, very, very simple, you're just going to submit it. Okay? If you have anything else you want to add, you can say, hey, coach, I did 20 minutes on one video, 10 minutes on the other. As long as it's 30 minutes altogether, you're good. So you have to do this twice a week when you're at home. Okay? Very, very simple. Twice a week. Like I said, don't do one long run or one long bike ride and just try to do one Google form. It happens all the time. Don't be that guy. Make sure you're doing 2 a week. Alright, because we have thousands of workouts coming in. It's very hard to keep track of. Okay. Alright. A couple other things that you want to make sure that you do before we get started. So we have the workout form. We just went over that. The next thing is course expectation sheet. So you click on that. Again, you want to do it by your teacher's hub. So I have an expectation sheet for my kids that I'm keeping track of. Coach Gain up here, he's got an expectation sheet. Coach Donovan has her own one, and Coach Cromer has his own one. It has to be in the correct area. So Coach Sutton's expectation sheet is right here. You're going to read all of this. We're going to go over this in Zoom on Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on when you have phys ed. You're supposed to read all of this. Then after that, you're going to put in your first and last name, when you have PE, so we can keep track of you, and then your parents are also going to have to sign it. And basically, you're signing it by clicking this box here, and for you, clicking that box there, and then submitting it. You are not allowed to start phys ed until this form is complete. Okay, so make sure that gets done. Alright, and then Zoom. So on Tuesday or Wednesday, when we have class, you're going to Zoom. So let's say I have class, the first period, I'm not sure when that starts now, new bell schedule, let's say it's 8:15. I have first period phys ed, it's at 8:15, and I have, let's say I have Coach Donovan. What am I going to do? I'm going to go to the Coach Donovan hub, right? And then it says Zoom with Coach Donovan. I'm going to click on that, and then it says launch meeting. I'm going to click on that, and then boom, I go right to the meeting. Alright, with Google Classroom and with Zoom, you got to make sure that you are logged in under your SOCSD tag. Okay, so if you're logged in something else, you're not going to get into that Zoom meeting. You're not going to get into the Google Classroom. Alright, up here is our current curriculum. This is good for parents to read as well. It details everything that we expect. It talks about how things are a little different because of the COVID-19. Our curriculum is definitely different. We're using less equipment, etc. It talks about all the types of workouts that you need to do and to submit when you're at home. So basically, you have from Monday to Sunday night to get in 2 workouts. Sunday night at midnight, it closes. So if you don't have those 2 in, you're going to get marked off, and then you're going to have to do some makeups. We haven't decided yet how we're going to be doing makeups. It's a little tricky with the whole COVID-19 thing. By the way, this is our Google Classroom code right here. If you don't have it yet, if you haven't been in, that's how you get in. You go to Google Classroom, and then you join class. You put in this code right here, AVJHVUM. If you joined last year and you can't get in anymore, that's because we have a new code. We deleted all the students from last year. Okay, so check this out. All the information that you need is on it. If you ever have a question, you can email us. It's always the first initial, the first name, last name at socsd.org. So you have T. Cromer for Mr. Cromer, E. Donovan for Mrs. Donovan, etc., etc. Okay. Online etiquette. make sure that you read that. That's important. You want to make sure that your mics are all muted when you go into one of our Zooms. Course expectation sheet, we went over that already. Make sure you read that so you know what's going on. Okay, so a lot of different things this year if you read through it. One is that you don't have to change for phys ed, and you can wear what you want for the most part, as long as it's school appropriate. Mainly you just have to wear sneakers until we're out of the COVID area, pretty much for the fall, hopefully. And that's it. Let's see what else, if anything. Back. There we go. Alright, we got inspirational videos of the week there. That's a real fun one about a guy with a intruder in his house, riding a bike, a little kid, and what he does instead of, you know, telling the kid to take a hike, he actually makes a little bike course for him, so that was kind of cool. We talked about the hubs, student resources, distance learning PE activity logs. So let's say you don't have a computer at home or you don't have Wi-Fi. When you come to class for PE, all right, you can get one of these. We'll give you one. And basically, when you go home during the week, instead of logging in and going through the Google Forms for your workouts, you're going to put your workouts here. You're going to handwrite it in. Distance learning PE activity log. So last name, first name, PE teacher, that's important. Your workout number 1 and your workout number 2. Okay? It's up to you to make sure that you submit it the very first day you get back to school when you return from your distance learning, or else we cannot give you credit. Okay, very important. Student expectation sheet, went over that. Code of conduct, that was from the school. You can check that out. And we also have it in Spanish. Again, these are all the workouts that you can do. Cardio core, dance workouts, yoga, makeup classes we're still trying to figure out. If you're on a medical, Coach Donovan is going to be the point person for that. You can email her if you're on a medical. You click on this, it will go to the phys ed department website, and it will talk about all the medical stuff for you here, so you can know what to do and what to submit. That is about it. So remember, Tuesday and Wednesday, your first day of class, we're going to be Zooming all this kind of info for you guys. Again, if you have Coach Cromer, go to Coach Cromer's Hub. If you have Coach Donovan, make sure you click the Zoom link for her. If you have Coach Gain, it's right over here. And if you have Coach Sutton, it's right over here. Okay? In the meantime, click on that course expectation sheet. Make sure you fill it out. Mom or Dad signs it, so you're good to go with that. That's first and foremost. And any questions that you have, we'll entertain those on Zoom on Tuesday and Wednesday. All right, guys? Any other questions, feel free to hit up your physical education teacher that's assigned to you. All right, looking forward to seeing you guys on Tuesday and Wednesday. Take care.